How to transfer Xbox One data to Xbox X series. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is obviously prepare your Xbox One. So first of all, what you're going to do is ensure that it has consistent internet and cloud saves. Then like I said, you need to have the backup save data and move games to drive in order to have this backup data. So after doing that here, now in order to start your data transferring, what you're going to do is get to the settings on your Xbox, and then from your settings, click on system, and then you need to click on a backup and transfer. So after doing that, now what are we going to do is simply power on our Xbox Series X. You need to log in the same Microsoft account on your Xbox. Then you can select get and select started, then select the keep my settings. After doing that, finally you would need your external drive. So in there, the first method would be obviously, like I said, your external drive. You'd need to connect your drive to your X series and then select transfer my stuff and choose the storage option. It could be move or copy, and then you can start moving, or let's just say transferring the data to your external drive, right? So in there, there's second method that you can do, that would be network transfer. If you want to do that, you'd need to connect both to the same local network, both your network transfer and your Xbox to the same network. And on the Xbox One, you would need to enable network transfer, and on the Series X, you need to select console and choose the items. So after doing that, all you need to do is confirm and play. You need to verify the entire library is ready and then optimize Series X games, and you can now start diving into your collection. So yeah, that will be it. This is how you'll be able to transfer your Xbox One data to Xbox X series. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.